Right, let's pack up, get this rubbish put away. Does this ever happen to you? Get the rubbish bag. Oh, flipping hell. Or this. What's that caught on? That's caught on the zip. Oh, I ain't going to put that for rubbish, am I? Who brings a gash bag with them to take all their rubbish home from camping? Well, if you don't, you should do. How many of you bring a carrier bag as a gash bag? How do you store your bag in your rucksack? Do you just shove it in? Do you fold it in half and fold it in half again? Or do you bring it like this? How much easier is it to store it away like that? That won't come apart. That's all folded in nicely within itself. Do you know how to do that? Let me show you. There's your carrier bag. Just got your shopping out of it. Right. Pinch that together, that side like that. How it would be stored anyway. Look, you can see the fold lines. Can you see them? There and there. So fold it to there. Fold it to there. So you can see already the fold lines from the existing fold. This edge is your last fold. That's your last fold. Start at this corner. Fold it into a triangle. 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 Get the dirt out. Triangle. Triangle. There you go. Handles, they go down here. Like so. Folded in on themselves. Ready to put in your rucksack. I thank you.